wonderful mommies and mom-to-bees, welcome to My Mommy XP. I have decided to make few important videos in English for non-Hindi viewers. I hope you like it and please let me know if you want any specific video in English in the comment section. I'll definitely work on that. So today I'm going to talk about breastfeeding. This is the topic I have chosen as the first video of my channel, which was in Hindi. I'll put the link in the description box. Please check if you want this video in Hindi. So I have chosen the same topic as the first video of my channel in English because I really feel this is the most important and essential topic for any newborn and new mom. So first I'm going to talk about why breastfeeding is so important, and then I'm going to talk about that what are the possible challenges usually mothers face, and then I'll give you all the solution for all the challenges. Let's talk about why breastfeeding is so important. There are hundreds of importance of breast milk. Breast milk is the best choice for the baby. Why? Let's talk about baby's perspective. First, newborn babies have underdeveloped digestive system, so breast milk is perfect for those babies because it is easy to digest. Second, it increases immunity in the babies. So immunity is the foundation of health. So if you are breastfeeding your baby, you are directly working on the health of the baby. Third point is increasing IQ. In future, it will help in education, in professional life. So in long run, IQ is very important. Fourth point I would like to mention, which is very important and very interesting, that is it has antibacterial property and it has antibodies. What happens if in mother's body any virus or any disease is there, so mother's body automatically generates some antibodies against the virus. So when that same mother breastfeeding her baby, those antibodies are transferred to the baby through the breast milk. What happens after that? The baby becomes immune to those viruses. Let's talk about mother's perspective as well. Yes, it is beneficial for mothers as well. First, I would like to tell you that if you are breastfeeding your baby, you are losing weight. Yes, you heard me right. You can lose weight just by breastfeeding your baby. Most of the mothers have concern after delivery that they have put on lots of weight during the pregnancy and now they don't have the time or energy to go to gym or to work out. So how you can lose the weight? This is the solution for you. You can just lose weight, you can just burn calories just breastfeeding your baby sitting in your room. Second point is, if you are breastfeeding your baby, there is less chance of having hormonal cancer like breast cancer, ovarian cancer. Third point is, which I really feel that it is much more easier and convenient. You don't have to prepare the formula milk, you don't have to check the temperature. So anytime, anywhere you can feed the baby, whether baby is sleeping, whether you are sleeping, you just anywhere you can breastfeed your baby. I think this is more hassle free. Let's talk about the possible challenges. First is less milk supply. This is the most common matter of concern. You can work on it and it is curable. You just have to keep a positive mind and determination. So let's talk about the remedies. First, you have to let your baby suckle. Doesn't matter how much milk your body is producing, just after delivery, please breastfeed your baby. Doesn't matter your baby is getting enough milk or not, let your baby suckle. What happens then? Your body will get the message that your baby needs milk and your body will start producing milk for your baby. So you have to send the message to your body that your baby needs milk. So for next, what you can do, you have to drink plenty of water. At least 10 to 12 glass of water is required per day because you have to keep your body hydrated and your body needs. Third remedy is, you should massage your breast with any oil. any oil you prefer, you can use that. And you can start this activity during pregnancy also. From 7th or 8th month you start massaging your breast. It will give enough blood supply to the milk ducts. Fourth, you can include cumin seed in your diet because it helps in producing breast milk. And also you can have 1 or 2 times sabudana with milk, which can also help you in producing milk supply. So next possible challenge is latching. Latch should be perfect. So what is latching? Latching is the connection between your breast and the baby's mouth while breastfeeding. So it should be perfect, otherwise your baby will keep suckling but not get enough milk, and it will cause lots of issues to the breast as well. So latching should be perfect. So how you can do that? You have to ensure that baby's chin is connected to the lower wall of your breast, and the areola, not only the nipple but also the areola, that is the darker part around the nipple, that should go inside the baby's mouth. And baby's nose should be free, that baby can breathe properly. So while breastfeeding you have to check these 3 things, and then only you have to proceed. So you have to work on latching perfectly, otherwise the breastfeeding process will be very difficult. Third possible challenge is after C-section, many women are not enough energetic due to back pain or due to health issues. So I will request them to not to quit. Please keep breastfeeding. You can use a feeding pillow which can give you relief from back pain a little bit. And also those women who are working outside or not available at home, they also quit breastfeeding. So what you can do, you can pump the breast milk and you can store it and give it to baby. If you are not enough healthy to breastfeed or not available to breastfeed your baby directly, use breast pump and pump the milk and just preserve it and feed the baby. I'll make separate videos on each of these challenges and remedies to explain you how we'll do all these things on daily basis. I'll explain all these things in details. For that, please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon for get the notification. Now I'm going to talk about few doubts which usually moms are having. So I would like to clear those. First is moms think that I'm breastfeeding my baby, but there are lots of formula milks that are available in market which has lots of important ingredients in it. So am I depriving my baby from those important ingredients which is in the formula milk? My answer would be no. Formula milk is not alternative for breast milk. It is also written in the container of the formula milk that breast milk is best for your baby. So formula milk is for those babies who doesn't have access to the breast milk. So breast milk has lots of ingredients which formula milk doesn't. Second doubt which I would like to clear, that people thinks that if you are delivering a premature baby, you will not have any breast milk. That is also a myth. Premature babies doesn't have enough strength to suckle, or premature babies doesn't have enough strength to suckle. So in that case you have to use breast pump. If you pump properly time to time, then you will also produce breast milk. As per WHO, at least 6 months you have to exclusively breastfeed your baby, and after that also you can continue up to 2 years as you wish. I would suggest you to give breast milk as long as you can because it is the most purest and rich of. I hope these informations are helpful for you. If yes, please like this video and subscribe My Mommy XP for getting more information and more videos on breastfeeding. I'm going to share all the details for all the remedies which I have mentioned in these videos. So please subscribe my channel for getting all these videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for get the notification for all these videos. Thanks for watching.